Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Biafra garden.
Ojukwu finally took his people out of Nigeria. Biafra was proclaimed.
Yes, my people. A voice of Biafra, we don't come again today. The person where they hear his voice, Nana Bikena dead. He get bad thing what happened last week, where we say we go talk. For this studio, one of the things where we say we not go do now to come out, come they criticize other pro-Biafran groups. But the kind of thing what happened last week, no be waiting, we go keep quiet. Like we say in Igbo, no job or half of Romanala. If bad thing persists for up to 1 year, it becomes a tradition. It becomes acceptable. What thing happened last week, the video where I believe so any Biafran activists, because this one for Biafran activists, Biafran nationalists, now waiting we do this program. Everybody when they did this struggle, see that video. Most people will get access to social media. Video where one of our brothers and sisters were beaten up. They were brutalized. They were beaten to... In fact, now for hospital where they did. For our land, we know they beat women. I don't know where on a land this kind of madness. The guy call names of people who beat them. People who send them. We no one come here can they call names. But owner, no owner selves. We beat that these two people. Beat them. They say... according to what the guy in the talk, they say make him must be under one leadership. The guy say no go then that leadership and they go carry them, go enter one place, go beat the hell out of them. We no go troll that kind of thing. Why would the talk be say if bad thing starts, people close eyes, that bad thing will reach everybody. Because as this thing they start small. They be different. The next one be say they fit kill somebody. Now so it they start. Now why will they talk am here? Because when evil they start, condemn that evil, whether na your own group, that evil they start condemn am. Otherwise, the thing go come reach you because this Biafran struggle na spiritual journey. Many of una no know. They say the guy na saboteur, the guy na this. Who are you to go cause? You know the meaning of saboteur? We can say for Igbo, Anachi Igbo Achi, and they do Igbo you do. You can't impose yourself on the people of Biafra or the people of Igbo. If you get followership, keep your followership. No force other people beat them, say these people must follow you, everybody must follow you. No. And if no be owner, as the guy mentioned, do this thing, make owner come openly, come deny say no be owner do am. And the people when call their names. Make una expel them from una group because we no go to troll because this thing now fit open door for our enemies to enter the group. Before they know they don't kill this person, they say na this group killer. The same people will go kill that group, cause say na this group killer. Now waiting destroy many struggles. Our struggle na non-violence. So if you talk say struggle na non-violence, na non-violence against who? Is it violence against your own people and no violence against your so-called enemies? Because we don't see Operation Python Dance 1 and 2, Crocodile Smile 1 and 2. They don't kill our people for Onisha, kill our people for Aba, kill our people for Mpo, kill our people for different parts of, even for area, they kill, even the police station, nobody touch police stations. Army self, they no get scratch for their body. So you say that one are non-violence, but their own people now go they come beat woman. Anybody will touch woman, that my person, not my person. That's the height of cowardice. Say you no fit fight police, no fit fight army. Now woman and they not say man no to go beat. Say they know do na group, they did this, all those kind of nonsense. So this thing no be today start. One of our brothers, we've been there Norway, Evangelist Achuku, now follow Biafra and go right later, give Norwegian government. Right under one. say give address. No be only Lotachukwu, other people for they carry the address, give immigration, make the deportation. How follow Biafra? How Biafra go they fight follow Biafra, and you they look for independence. You know what thing we talk for Igbo? Anything you are doing, make sure the natural justice is on your side. You they look for justice from Nigeria, but in your own group, justice no day. You they shout, hey, Nigeria beat us, the army kill us, but for your own group, you they beat people, if you want to kill people. That means you are not honest. You are not honest. For this struggle, we know we think carry this struggle go backward. And maybe time don't reach, we begin to talk. What be somebody what does it mean to be a saboteur? Indigenous people of Biafra carry case go court 2012. 2014, a group carry petition, right, give judge. Right, give, carry copy, give the lawyers of Nigeria. Carry copy, serve as Soro. Carry copy, give the people where they register companies for Nigeria. I know if you remember their names again. Say make even revoke the license of Bilie Human Rights. Say make they revoke them so that they go defend the indigenous people of Biafra. Now waiting they call saboteur. That is the meaning of saboteur. You are a saboteur against your own nation, your own people who won't survive. That is the meaning. Go and look for that later. In fact, as the case won't proceed, they send another letter. 2 people will sign that letter. 2 of them now have been disgraced. The 2 people who signed those 2 petitions against indigenous people of Biafra, where they call, where most of them never hear. Those people have been disgraced. But now people send them. Those people come out their own head. We know waiting the whole our struggle backwards. Because people we know they ready for independence, now them come the lead struggle. People where they interested in ego, personal aggrandizement, keep money, pride, taking titles and all those nonsense, na it. And if we not stop this violence where they start now, if we not stop them as they go beat that woman and that guy, if we not stop and do something critical about it, the worst will come. In fact, these people will beat these people, right and somewhere, they will be beaten, they will be humiliated in this struggle. Not be today I enter this struggle now. All the people who blackmail people, who lie against people, they were blackmailed and lied against. It's a spiritual journey. So now warning, I the one owner, we go beat those people. Now warning, maybe somebody send owner. When time go reach, no head go enter. If you wanna no go, in fact, come out openly, go apologize. Go there, go apologize to those people. Problem go there. When they do that thing to Lotachukwu for our brother, for Norway, I told them, all of una we put hand, make them deport Lotachukwu. Una our own brother will come to hustle for Europe. No be only other people, because they say they no want join they on a group. Una say they go to Portugal. All of una we are on a day to day. And the people who do that out of ignorance, you still have opportunity to come out openly and confess and say apologize. Call all the people where you offend. Apologize. This journey is spiritual journey. We know go to fight against injustice. Meanwhile, we defeat people with our group the same injustice. So now here we go stop. And now warning, as you hear this message, tell other people, share them, because you get what thing they happen for social media now. Anything Biafra, then they limit them so that it no will go far. That's what thing we observe. So it in your hand as you watch this thing, make you share them. Share them so that other people will get them. Our struggle na non-violence. And if you want to do violence, no be your own brothers and sisters you go use. We know people who don't intimidate us. We know people who enslave us. Not even external. Do you know the governors of our land? They are slave masters. They are the ones enslaving us. With the politicians in our land, they are the ones enslaving us. The guys who want to go the beat, these are innocent people. Not out of cowardice now. Now somebody where your mate dey for bush, they look for lion, you dey for home. They kill lizard. Now one way they want. Now advise it too. Where back on no fee. To a hack and mad. Thank you. Take care of yourself.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra.